I have the small swing in the garden that I love to sit and swing around and look at the garden. This plant belongs to the philodendron family, and this, you have already seen this plant before over there. This is the syngonium plant that I have been showing you multiple times. Many people can make this plant out. These are periwinkles, and as you can see, I didn't repot them yet. This is purple in color and this is pink color. These are 3 types of periwinkles that I bought. I don't know this one's English name, but in Telugu they call it Neelagorinta. And these are my sweet little roses over here. Don't think what is this tire doing over here. My dad brought this in, so I thought I can make a DIY out of it for the garden. Guys, do comment what DIY I should do for this tire in the comments. So coming here we have this wide leaf plant. It also belongs to the philodendron family. I hope now you can see the leaves properly. They belong to the philodendron family and it has grown pretty huge. I also replanted it, and I have this colorful leaved plant over here. This belongs to the Calathea family, and money plant over there, small one, don't bother. And this also belongs to the philodendron family. You can see the leaf difference over here and here. They all belong to the same family, by the way. And this is pretty unique. This is called Broken Heart and it belongs to the Monstra family. I have 3 plants, 3 different types of plants in this family. One is this, and this also belongs to the Monstra family. I have 2 plants over here, and this here is my silver photos. This plant is called starling Aralia plant, and this plant here is called broad-leaved lady palm. Yeah, broad-leaved lady palm. This is the same plant that same family, but this is only called Aralia. That is called starling Aralia plant, Aralia or Aralia, whatever it is. This is English ivy, and this is also a new addition to the garden that I gave. And this here is Areca palm. Till now we have seen this side of the garden. Now you should see the main part. This is the other side of the garden, which I'll be showing you right now. It is called Moses in the Cradle. This is a croton. I do not properly remember the name, but this is a croton of some type. This is a bonsai that I got from my brother. This belongs to the Dracena family. Turtle vine all over the garden. This is how actually turtle vine looks. It is a bit, dry because of summer. Turtle vine does not do well in summer, so it's not that okay on the ground. But here it is fine in the bin. These 2 are chamantlu. This is a jasmine plant that I got from my brother. I'm trying to grow it like this, the shade. And this is a mint plant that I have. This is called Radha Manoharam, and the flowers are really so nice. This plant. Moving on here, I have this creeper, which is also a flowering creeper, and it gives out orange flowers. Right now I do not have any flowers left to this creeper. I'll attach a photo over here which I have. And this is another plant that belongs to the Monstra family. As you can see the leaves, the way they cut out. And here I have 2 succulents, and some sweet and cute new additions to my family are my bunny babies. Can you wake up? Please wake up. seen till now. There is still more garden left, and we are going right there. This is one more hanger. It used to have this plastic hanging hooks, but they broke due to sunlight, so I did a jugaad, with this thread, and you have seen these plants over here. These are called coleus plants. Yeah, coleus plants. They are basically foliage plants, and they are vegetative propagation. This is called Rio plant, and this is the other garden that I have right now. I have few water lily saplings growing. They're not grown to the full extent, but yeah, they'll grow. This is Senkampulu antaru. I don't remember the technical name. This is a small patch that I made. These plants are called perticulents. This is called Parijatam, and I do not have any flowers right now for this plant, but I have lots of curry leaf over here. Pomegranate tree. No fruits right now, but yeah, it does surely give fruits. And this is amla tree, small well. And this is a jasmine plant. I have so many other jasmines. This is also a jasmine. I got this from my grandma's home. This is also jasmine, and this is also jasmine. I have 2 chili trees. These are Kanakambralu, orange ones. These are yellow flowering plants, and these are the somewhat yellowish orangish Kanakambralu. And this plant over here, this is called lollipop. They grow small flowers like this, and they are called lollipops. This here, I do not properly remember the name, but it gives out flowers like this. They look so pretty. I have a fully grown Senkampul Chettu, and this is that thing. I have white over here. I have 2 types of colors in the same area. This is white, and I have blue. You have seen this part of the garden over here, and now coming here, this side I have a michi plant, and coming up I have this basket plant. I'll insert a proper photo over here so that you can have an idea how this plant will look. And this is the famous ZZ plant, or so called ZZ plant. I have a different fern sapling over here, but it is still a sapling. Excuse me. So I wanted to grow, and so I kept it here. This is also a propagated ZZ plant by me. This is other plant. This is called peperomia. This type of plant does not need too much sunlight, so I kept it here. This is a traditional snake plant, and this is the jade plant. This one here is Brahmakamalam. from the selection of the plants that I am buying, to planting them, taking care of them, watering them, because of my classes and online classes, I did not have regular time to water the plants daily, so they used to do it for me. So it's a sharing process that we do. It's not like one person takes the credit. All three of us worked on this garden equally, and all of us deserve the equal credits. Tell me what plants that you liked more in my garden, and sorry if I did pronounce or specify wrong names of the plants. Do correct me, do correct and tell me the proper names in the comments. I'm open to all your suggestions, and if you have any more plants, suggestions that you want me to try planting in my garden, please do try and give them to me as well. So thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for the latest notifications.